The potential future of the Maldives is explored, examining the pressing environmental challenges faced by the island nation. Viewers are taken on a journey to understand the science behind sea level rise and its profound implications for this tropical paradise. Urgent question: imagine a world where paradise disappears. The Maldives, a jewel of the Indian Ocean, faces an existential threat. By 2050, could this breathtaking nation be completely underwater? We dive deep into the science of sea level rise and reveal the stunning truth about the future of this tropical haven. Intriguing revelation: what if the dream vacation spot you've always wanted to visit ceased to exist within your lifetime? The Maldives is on the brink, and the scientific evidence is alarming. We're uncovering the untold story of its environmental battle and the devastating implications for millions of lives. Prepare to see this paradise like never before. Paradise on the Precipice Hook. Stunning aerial shots of the Maldives, juxtaposed with a looming statistic or question about its future. Will this paradise be gone? Introduce the Maldives. Brief overview of its unique geography, culture, and undeniable appeal. Emphasize its low-lying nature. The core threat: immediately introduce sea level rise as the primary concern, setting the urgent tone for the video. The science of sinking. Demystifying sea level rise. Explain the two main drivers, thermal expansion and melting glaciers, in an easy-to-understand way. Use simple graphics. Maldives vulnerability. Detail why the Maldives is uniquely susceptible: average elevation, porous coral, etc. Visuals of measuring sea levels. Current impacts. Show tangible, real-world examples of how sea level rise is already affecting the Maldives: erosion, saltwater intrusion, infrastructure damage. Life on the edge. Maldivian perspectives, voices from the frontline. Interview Maldivian locals, fishermen, or tourism workers on their daily experiences and fears about the future. Personalize the crisis. Adaptation strategies. Highlight current efforts by the Maldivian government and communities to adapt, such as artificial islands or seawalls. Showcase both successes and limitations. Economic and social fallout. Discuss the potential impact on the Maldives' tourism-dependent economy and the social fabric of its communities. Beyond 2050. What the future holds. Projected scenarios. Present data-driven projections for sea level rise by 2050 and beyond, using clear visual aids, e.g., interactive maps. Acknowledge scientific uncertainty where appropriate. Worst-case scenarios. Explore the most dire possibilities if significant action isn't taken, including displacement and loss of land. This is the urgent call to action. Global context and responsibility. Connect the Maldives' plight to the larger global climate crisis, emphasizing that its fate is intertwined with worldwide emissions. Hope, innovation, and a call to action. Global initiatives. Showcase international efforts and technological innovations aimed at combating climate change and assisting vulnerable nations. The power of collective action. Reiterate that individual and governmental actions, even small ones, can make a difference. Empower the viewer. Final call to action. Urge viewers to engage, learn more, and support climate initiatives, leaving them with a sense of hope and urgency. End with a poignant visual of the Maldives, perhaps with a rising tide line.